Do you have a normal thermostat or smart radiator valves in every room? Then this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you how to automatically control your heating with Home Assistant, using smart schedules that also take into account whether someone is home or not, completely locally, with no cloud and no subscriptions. That means lower heating bills, no dependency on vendor servers, and full control over your home. Let's get started. To build this heating automation, we first need a few helpers. Go to Settings, then Devices and Services, then Helpers, and filter by the label Climate. Here I've created 4 helpers. The first one is a number helper called Climate Temperature Away. Mine is set to 16 degrees. This is the temperature all radiators will switch to when nobody is home. Then I created 3 schedule helpers, a main climate schedule, a bathroom climate schedule, and a low climate schedule. Each schedule contains time blocks with an extra variable called temp. For example, on Sundays, from midnight to 8 in the morning, temp is set to 15. From 8 in the morning until midnight, temp is set to 19. On weekdays during work hours, the temperature is set to 18. In the evening, it's 19, and at night, it's 15. The bathroom has its own schedule with higher temperatures in the morning and evening, and lower temperatures during the day and night. The low schedule is just a fixed 15 degrees for rooms I control manually. Next, we create the automations. The main automation triggers when the main climate schedule changes. It checks if someone is home, and if so, it sets the temperature of all main radiator valves to the temp value from the schedule helper. That means the correct temperature is always applied automatically based on the time of day. There's a second automation for the bathroom that works exactly the same way, but only targets the bathroom radiator and uses the bathroom schedule. Now we create the presence automation that switches between home and away. It has 2 triggers. One when the home zone goes above 0, meaning someone arrived home, and one when the home zone becomes 0, meaning everyone left. If someone comes home, all radiator valves return to following their schedules. If everyone leaves, all climate devices are set to the away temperature helper. In my case, that value is 16 degrees because my air conditioners won't accept anything lower. And that's it. Your heating is now fully automated, presence-aware, cloud-free, and subscription-free, all powered locally by Home Assistant. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart home tutorials, and leave a comment. I love reading them. See you in the next one. Bye.